Welcome to Where the Trade Buys Print. This video will guide you through the process of placing your order, completing payment, and uploading your artwork. Firstly, select the product you would like from the Products menu. Alternatively, you can search for the product. On the product page, the dispatch date will be displayed at the top of the screen. You can use the price comparison option to select product size and product quantity. If you can't see the quantity you require, you can add a custom quantity. Once you have selected your product from the options available, you can then customize your order. When you select Customize, you can change all of the options relating to the product. You can now save the quote or add to basket. When you choose Add to Basket, you can then proceed to checkout. At the checkout, you will see an order summary page where you can check the details of your order and select the artwork checking option if required. Proceed to checkout, where you can give the order a job reference to make it easier to find in your order history, and a purchase order number if required. You can also insert a voucher code if applicable. Next, select your delivery options and delivery address. Either add a new address or select from your address book. Review your order and agree to our terms and conditions. Then proceed to payment. Choose to pay with a saved card or add a new card. Then enter your details and complete the order. Your order is now complete. You are then given the opportunity to upload your artwork now or at a later date. You can either upload the artwork from your computer or from your Dropbox account. Then simply click Submit Artwork and review your files if necessary. Once you have submitted your artwork, the order will begin to be processed. Once your order is complete, sit back and relax as we print and package your order ready for dispatch. This is Where the Trade Buys Print.